my name is Melus. You can call me Michelle if you prefer, since my name is a little hard to pronounce. I'm originally from Finland and have owned dogs in many different countries. When I was little, I had parakeets, finches, a chinchilla, a rabbit. For the last 45 years, I've had dogs. I've had 10 different breeds, everything from a toy poodle and a Shih Tzu up to 2 Great Danes and my current dog, a Mastiff. Hazmat, say hello. Say hi, Hazmat. Ooh, say hi. Oh, that's a boy. And he has gotten a pretty extensive training. He's a canine good citizen and was on his way to becoming a therapy dog when we moved to Finland a few years ago. And there he was sort of a groundbreaker. They're not really familiar with the therapeutic concept of dogs over there. And we were able to visit a senior center with him, and we were quite a hit. I am looking forward very much to taking care of your dogs. I am looking forward to getting to know different personalities of animals, different kinds of animals that I may or may not have experience with. And I hope to see your pets real soon. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.